Hey guys, welcome back. I am here to show you guys this video. It has been long due. It was when I showed my wreath, the one that I made from the scrap of floral wire. I told you guys the reason I made it and what it was hanging off of. So here it is. It's a kind of a window, if you will, farmhouse style window, and I made this for my kitchen. It stays on in a corner of my kitchen like so, and I just made the wreath for it, and it kind of hangs over it. Looks really pretty in the corner. I have a little oil lantern next to it and a little bird with two squash for fall, but the bird and the lantern stay there at all times. So it gives it a really cozy, warm feeling. I will take a picture of it and show it to you guys after this video. So these are 5x7 picture frames that I purchased from a Dollar Tree. I did purchase 4 of them. They are in the black colors, the color that, pardon my nails guys, I didn't get a chance to do my nails so well. The color that you see peeking through is actually the color of the frame. I, again, painted it all in the chalk paint in plaster. I had this one sheet of wood grain sitting in my stash for a very long time, and I found it, and I think it matches perfect with my cabinets. Like I mentioned before, if you guys have not seen my videos, you can go a couple of videos before. I mentioned my cabinets are ivory. So the plaster and that wood grain looks really pretty against my cabinets. And I painted everything. I did not sand it with a sander or sandpaper. I actually wet distressed it with a damp cloth. And I just, at first, what I did with this is rub the cloth all over it, from top to bottom. So it took off a little bit of paint right here, if you guys can tell. And then I went in between the crease, and I just took the cloth and my thumb and just kind of rubbed it to distress more on the inside and on the outside. And guys, it turned out really, really pretty. I love the way it turned out. And then when I was done with that, I took it out in my front yard and I spray sealed it with, it's a sealer that I've had in a spray can for a very long time. Don't know where I got it from. I don't even know. Maybe Home Depot. Yes, Home Depot, because I did my daughter's computer. I stenciled her computer and her computer cover, and that's when I purchased it. So once it's sealed, now when I wipe it down with, when I'm cleaning and dusting and everything, the paint does not further chip from it. So this is the reason why I created this little wreath, because the ones that I had in my stash were too big. They were the 18-inch wreath, and I did not like them. And this is how it actually looks standing up. I do have fall decoration up right there. That's my kitchen countertop. Yeah. So let me see if I can put it like so and show it to you guys. But yeah, this is what it looks like when it's standing up. Really, really pretty. If you guys want a video on how I did this, you know what, as a matter of fact, I will come on here and show it to you guys, because I'm going to make one more. However, this one I'm going to have little, what do you call those, twine hanging in a little clip, because I'm going to have one for each of my kids' pictures for our family wall that we're going to create. We're going to make a little family wall collage, so I'm going to make a few of these for that. And I don't know if I mentioned they are 5x7. There were 4 of them from Dollar Tree, and I'll show you the back. And I just propped it up with, or not propped it up, I'm sorry, got it more sturdy with some popsicle sticks that I've had in my stash. So yeah, that's the back, and it just gives it a little bit more stability. And this is the front. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video, which will be a pumpkin, the carvable pumpkins from Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree still has it, so I'm hoping you guys can get it, but I'm sure you guys stocked up on it because they were everywhere. So until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share it, leave comments, and yes, and that's about it. And I will see you guys later. Take care and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.